So with the release of the Nintendo Switch 2, one of the main accessories that I like to get is a SwitchDock. And I've been getting a SwitchDock since the first Nintendo Switch, and it has been a lifesaver for me. So the Nintendo Switch is normally in my kids' room, and if I wanted to put it anywhere else, of course I'd have to unplug it, plug it into the other TV. When I'm done there, plug it back into the main TV in my kids' room. What a headache. But with a SwitchDock, I can have this set into my main TV in my living room, have its own HDMI cord, its own power cord, and all I have to do is just bring the Switch from this dock to the next. Super convenient. Let me give you a close look at this SwitchDock too. One thing that you will see immediately is that, look, the colors do match. So it's not going to look crazy third-party-ish when it's actually connected to your dock. It does claim to have smooth, frictionless connectivity, so it's not wearing out your connectors. You also get an HDMI port, a button here that goes from TV to standby mode, your power USB port, and two USB 3.0 ports, the same ports on your original dock station right here. So as I mentioned before, you're going to plug in your other accessories like maybe your old AC adapter for your previous Nintendo Switch, and of course the HDMI cord. Now, I'll just go ahead and bring it from here all the way to this Switch dock. I want you to see right here how before it was covering the screen, now we actually have access to the screen. Now, I know the Switch itself has a foldable stand built into it, but here you can actually use it as its own stand in its own right and still enjoy as it's going on. So let's recap. We'll take our Switch, we'll put on the docking station, give it a couple seconds, and it'll find it. You can even see that it does support HDR at the same time. And this does support resolutions up to 8K, but of course the Switch only goes up to 4K. But definitely, if you're looking for a solution to not unplug HDMI cords and power cords, an additional dock could be the solution for you because it's a solution for my house. All right, guys, really hope this video helps you out. Take care. Bye. As always, I'll leave links in the description down below so you can pick up your own SwitchDock too. Hey guys, do me a favor, hit that like button if you like what's going on here, hit that subscribe button if you love what's going on here, and ding that notification so you can be notified for future videos as well. I will see you next one. Take care.